Today I want to speak directly to those of you who have experienced betrayal through your spouse's compulsive sexual behavior. If that's your story, I want to begin by saying, I'm so sorry. This kind of discovery can turn your world upside down. What you're feeling makes sense, and you deserve real care and support as you begin to steady your heart again. And that's why we're talking about something that can feel uncomfortable to say out loud many times in Christian spaces, and that is self-care. Many of us were taught that serving Jesus and others is the goal, and anything that looks like caring for ourselves can feel selfish. You may have felt this way yourself, especially if you are a parent of small children. But the truth is, caring for yourself isn't selfish. It's wise, it's necessary, and it's a vital part of healing. Think of your life like a home you live in every day. A home needs care. It needs attention. If something is ignored long enough, it doesn't go away, it gets worse. In the same way, many betrayed spouses reach a breaking point, not because they don't love God or their families, but because they've been neglecting their own needs for too long. Your body needs rest, nourishment, and care. Your heart needs space to grieve, process, and be supported. If those needs go unmet, burnout isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Now here's something important. We often confuse self-care with coping. Coping distracts you from what you don't want to feel. Self-care helps you move toward healing. Coping isolates you. Self-care reconnects you with safe people and safe practices. Coping often leaves you feeling drained or ashamed, and self-care leaves you feeling steadier, clear, even hopeful. So here's a simple practice. After you do something to comfort yourself, pause and ask, how do I feel right now? Do you feel more restored or more depleted? More connected or more alone? That answer can help guide you. And remember, self-care isn't indulgence. It's putting gas in your tank so you can have what you need to process the trauma you've experienced. It might look like getting consistent sleep, eating good, making space to grieve, and even possibly seeing a counselor to process the betrayal and pain. Might look like watching one of your favorite movies, and if you're like me, with your favorite snacks. Spending time with a safe friend, exercising, or spending intentional time with Jesus. So take a moment and reflect. Are you caring for your body? Where do you slip into coping instead of true care? What's one small step you could take today? You don't have to change everything at once. Just start with one small step. Because when you are cared for physically, emotionally, and spiritually, you're not choosing yourself over others. You are building your ability to live with integrity and connection, and maybe for the first time, to care for yourself as God would.